Hello everyone, welcome. Thank you for subscribing to my channel and liking my videos. Today we have a special house tour. It is an open house for sale by owner. It's located at 1462 Salley Avenue. This is very near Sumter Landing. I hope you enjoy the tour. Welcome friends. This home is for sale by owner, and I will video and provide the owner information that you can contact if you want more information about this home. This is a 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom home. It is made out of block and stucco, and it does have a swimming pool. Let's take a walk inside and take a look. It does have a very mature landscape. It has a very large Robolini palm. Let's walk inside. It looks like there's a lot of updates to this home. As you can see inside, when we get inside, you will see many upgrades to this home. It does have a water feature in the front of the home. Has a small sitting area. Here we are in the foyer. It does have ceramic tile floors. And you notice immediately to your left is a separate guest area. It has a bedroom, 2 bedrooms, and a bathroom right off the front foyer. This bedroom does have wood floors. The owner did say that the furniture that you see is negotiable if you're interested in purchasing the furniture. The texture on the walls and the ceiling are knocked down. It is not the popcorn ceilings that you're used to. Here's the bathroom, the guest bathroom. It does have a nice tub. It is ceramic tiled. As you can see, this bathroom has been upgraded. It has white cabinets, a beautiful glass sink. Next, we will turn around and walk into the bedroom. This bedroom has wood floors, and it has been converted into an office space. It has cathedral ceilings, and it does have a Murphy bed on the side wall. You can see it has beautiful white cabinets. Here I'm walking back into the foyer area. You can see ceramic tile on the kitchen floor. And now I'm turning and walking into the living room area. You can see this house is beautifully decorated. The dining room is off to the right. It does have wood floors in the dining and living room area. It does have high ceilings. I think they were 10 feet. It does have a beautiful gas fireplace as well. Now you're facing the lanai. The lanai is very large and has a beautiful backyard. It does have a mini split air conditioner, so you can keep that room cool in the summertime. It does have a nice swimming pool in the backyard. And we'll take a walk up to the swimming pool now. one last look at the lanai area. As customary in Florida, the swimming pool is under a bird cage. That's a screened-in area that prevents mosquitoes and other animals from getting inside your pool. It's a beautiful day today. It's about 90 degrees Fahrenheit here in the Villages, Florida. The swimming pool is deeper on this end. I would say it's 4 or 5 feet deep on this end. And on that end, it was probably 2 or 3 feet deep. As mentioned before, the furniture in this home is negotiable with the owner and is not included in the list price. Soon we'll take a walk into the backyard, beautifully manicured and landscaped backyard. Has a beautiful stone pathway. This house, both inside and out, has been meticulously kept. We'll turn around and head back into the house. The owner did say that they're looking to sell this home so they can travel the world. Now we're walking back into the lanai, and then we'll head into the living and dining room area. You can see the beautiful wood floors in the living room area. The kitchen does have ceramic tile. It does have granite countertops as well, and a single bowl sink. The stove is natural gas, and it does have beautiful glass tile backsplash. Stainless steel appliances. Very high ceilings. Now we'll head into the laundry and garage area. After we pan around and look at the living room and the kitchen area, this is the spec sheet. It's $775,000. It's 2,298 square feet. It has a new roof in 2023, and it is located on a secluded cul-de-sac. Please contact Julie at the phone number listed. We'll head into the laundry room area. And that door heads out into the garage. The garage does have a water softener, and it does have an epoxy floor. The owner tells me that's an 18-foot garage door, and it's an extra large 2-car garage. We'll head back into the laundry area, and then we'll proceed into the master bedroom. The master bedroom does have wood floors and high ceilings. It does have a sliding glass patio door that leads out into the lanai. And the swimming pool is right outside the other side of the lanai. We will head into the bathroom area. It does have a his and hers walk-in closet. His closet is on the left and her closet is on the right. There are wood floors in the closets and ceramic tile floors in the bathroom. The closets do have closet organizing systems. Ceramic tile in the bathroom floor. It does have a separate commode room and shower with a pocket door. It does have 2 sinks and white cabinets with brushed stainless hardware. Next we'll head into the commode room and shower area. The shower does have ceramic tile. And glass doors. Now we're proceeding back into the master bedroom and we're preparing to exit the home. One last panoramic view of the living and dining area. And this home has a beautiful glass front entry door.
Thanks for subscribing to my channel and watching my videos and liking my videos. I hope you enjoyed today's open house tour of a 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom home here in the Villages, Florida. Please contact the owner for more information. Have a great day, everybody.